I got some bad news. Where's the Sebastian? I remember in my workshop. He's a rather non-bit you last month. He bit my feet on here. Shall we give him a little brittle here? Sorry, but I banned him from the little brittle here. The little brittle is a fandom? Yes. He's a rather mingling lots of things. Then attend my workshop. Do you ban him from little and brittle if you didn't want him to be a little his? Yes, that's the reason. Maybe we should go find someone who can do it well, where not like you. Our replacements are sent here. Perhaps you're right. I'm going to make young last night in the Horror website. Say rugby with Alex Sheffer and other teachers then with us? Yes. Not like me. At least I know you don't like you. Just be used to him all the time. You like that too. He doesn't like me either. Oh, me. That's because he was singing when he's tapping. And when he's making loud noises. He's respectful beyond loud noises.